Look no further than the 2022 Ford F-350. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Extreme jobs call for extreme capabilities, and that's what this solidly built F-350 delivers. Designed to optimize strength, maneuverability, and passenger comfort, this well-equipped heavy-duty pickup makes the hard work feel easy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, premium sound system. Make super strong your new normal in this brawny F-350. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.